Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Cue the music. I've got our plate full of goodies on that plate. All right, start over again. You can see here we got a lettuce. Wow. All right, we've got our lettuce right here. I've got our plate full of meat, eggs, tomatoes, and cucumbers. We've got our salad right here. We've got our plate full of diced meat, onions. Wow. All right, hey, back. All right, I have got the ground beef, 2 pounds, over here cooking. What we're going to do is let this continue to cook all the way, and then we are going to drain off the fat if there hardly is any fat on this, so we probably won't do it. Let's restart. All right, I've got our 2 pounds of ground beef here. I'm just going to cook. All right, well, there's the chef salad. I'm going to take some pictures of it for social media, throw those pictures into the timeline with some groovy media. Wow. All right, well, there is the chef salad. I'm going to go ahead and get these. All right, well, there's your chef salad. I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures of these for social media, throw those pictures into the timeline with some groovy music, and then we'll come back and we'll talk more about this. Enjoy the music, enjoy the pictures. My face is way too light here. Hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef. Add our taco meat, but I don't have taco. Wow. All right, what we're going to do is we are going to brown off our ground beef, and then we're going to. If you want to do your. All right. Take 2. Thanks a lot for watching. We really appreciate it. Take 3. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. If you want to... God, Jesus. All right, we're going to start by frying out our bacon here. We're going to start right here. Take 3. We're going to start off by cooking the bacon. Bacon down. Shit. Toast down. Actually, it's bread until it gets toasted, so bread down. All right, a little bit about chicken. Take 2. All right, before we hit our ingredients list, I want to show you. All right, before we get and see our ingredients list, I want to explain a little bit about the battle. Wow. All right. Hey there, how you doing? Find all kinds of ingredients out there that he wanted him to make a take 4. But he sent his chef out into the pillaged landscape that the battle area. But the only problem is, chef didn't write it down. I don't know any of this, I'm making it up now. So the chef, I gotta start over. And they went to battle because he wanted, this was a. And she says, oh, I got a recipe for that. All right, but first I want to talk a little bit about the ingredients we've got in this. Now I got this turkey, wow. But first thing I want to do is I want to talk about the ingredients that we've got here. I was going to start out doing this as a turkey and wild rice hot dish, or casserole as we call it here. And that would have taken time, and it would have... This was also on sale. Well, if this is your first time watching It's Only Food, please do me a favor and head down to the corner there, right in the right bottom corner there. You will see a button that says, well. So let's head into the kitchen and see what our ingredients are.
I'm sorry.
We got, there you go. A croque madame, not a croque monsieur, but a croque madame. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box below that has the recipe and also a ton of other links down there that you will enjoy. I'm glad you showed up today. And again, thanks for watching. Take 2. All right, well, thanks again for watching. I'm glad you damn. All right, well, thanks again for watching. We made a croque madame today. Check out the description box below to see the recipe down there, and then also all the great links that I've got. I hope you appreciated the show. I know I'm glad you did. Okay, let's try this again. Take 4. Well, thanks so much for watching today. We made a chef. Okay, take 5. Hey, well, thanks a lot for watching today. I'm glad you... Take 6. Well, thanks a lot for watching today. We made a croque madame, the cousin of the croque monsieur. So, take 7. Well, hey, thanks a lot for joining today. We made a croque madame. Take 8. Hey, thanks a lot for joining us today on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. We made a croque madame, which was basically a grilled ham and cheese sandwich with a little bechamel sauce and a poached egg on it. It was fantastic. I hope you give it a try. Check out all my links in the description box that is underneath the recipe that I've got down there in the description box for you. Got a lot of groovy links that I think you'll really enjoy. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Like this video and this channel, and then leave a comment to let me know what you think of this video. And then do me a favor and share this video with everybody that you know. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.